But I got to share one little thing before we stop. You know, I had a sheikh, one of my spiritual sheikh, very spiritual sheikh, Sheikh Muhammad Miran. He had visited here once, many years ago. I don't know how many years, about 20 years, 15, 20 years, 20 years, 20 plus. And he saw Darul Uloom, he saw Alhikmat, the things that we're doing, and he was like, very good, love it, mashallah. But you know what he told me? He said, I have an advice for you. This is my sheikh, my teacher, my spiritual advisor. And I had to tell you who he was first. You know when he died and where he died? So you'll know who he was. He went for Umrah in Ramadan. He had the virtues. Umrah in Ramadan. He died in Umrah in Ramadan at Asr time, after Asr, when it's time to break fast. As the Adhan called to break fast, he took the Zamzam water, Bismillah, Allahu Akbar, Allah, Inna Lillahi, and passed away. The virtues of all the barakat of a righteous passing away. Around the Kaaba, Umrah, Asr time, in Ihram, in Ramadan. Took his Zamzam water, and that was it. Allahu Akbar. Yes, subhanallah.